In this tutorial I am going to show you how to use SqlDatasource and GridView control to display data from the database on your ASP.NET web pages. So let's open Visual Studio 2010. Let's create a new website by going to File, New, Website. Select ASP.NET website. Let's rename it to DataGrid. Click OK. So here is our default.aspx page. Let's add a GridView and SqlDatasource control to the page. Enter a GridView and double click SqlDatasource to add to the page. Now we will configure our SqlDatasource. So let's configure it. I'll select my database and click next. I'll rename it to jokes connection string. Here are the various fields in the jokes table. I'll select them all. Click next. Let's test the query. These are all the records in our jokes table. Here's the query. Let's click finish, and our SqlDatasource is configured now. Now we will have to connect our GridView control to this SqlDatasource. Let's click the smart tag and choose data source. I'll select SqlDatasource 1, which is the data source we have just configured on our page. I'll enable paging and auto format to change its look. I'll go for classic and click OK. I'll save it and view this page in the browser. So using data GridView control and SqlDatasource, with a couple of clicks I can drag data from the database onto my ASP.NET web page. We can navigate through various pages